Hey guys, how's it going today? Welcome to the Daily Random Vlog. Random Andrew here. Today has kind of been a flop, a failure, a disaster of epic proportions in regards to filming anything for the vlog today. I've been waiting for hopefully a little bit of a gap in the rain out there. Might get out and film a little something, but it's a rain day. It's purely just a rain day. So, for today's vlog, being that I'm drawing a complete blank, I was unprepared for a rain day. I think maybe certain vloggers out there, they got a rain day backup plan or something, so when this kind of stuff happens, they can actually just fall into that backup plan, have that backup plan ready to go. As for me, I have no backup plan. This is it. Today has actually been a really down, kind of just blah, not a good day for me. And as part of a video log, I guess, part of a journal of sorts, it would be improper if I tried to just pretend that it was an amazing day. No, I'm supposed to video log what kind of day it is, so well, I ran out of e-juice today. I have no e-juice with nicotine in it. I have no e-juice with no nicotine in it. I just have no e-juice anymore. And so I don't think I really need to explain a vapor without e-juice is like a cigarette smoker without their cigarettes. They can get testy, they can get cranky. But you know what? I may not be able to afford e-juice anymore. I think it would actually be more affordable to keep on, to go back to cigarettes. Which doesn't make any sense, because a lot of the reason this whole vaping exists is to get people off of the cigarettes, right? Right. So, why should it be more expensive? This is our healthier option. Health shouldn't be about expense. I feel a great disappointment with the whole thing. Anyhow, without really going too deep into that subject anymore, because I'm sure you guys don't want to hear that, here's what I've come up with for a backup plan for today's vlog. I've got Clifford all set up, ready to go. And you'll recognize some of these pieces from the mini crawling course I was trying to make. Just a easy up and over with some bigger bricks to climb. These are like big chunks of patio stone or whatever. So I'm going to throw together something a little neat, a little extra, to try and have something in the vlog for you guys today. It's pretty straightforward. Should be able to do this one-handed. Nice and easy. Here's something kind of annoying about the summit though, okay? I'm at a point where once I roll forward, there's a certain amount of play in my transmission that's going to happen. So as that weight's past there, that front right tire's coming off. Now you seen how it jumped forward before you heard the transmission slowing it down? That's what I'm talking about. I'd love to know how to eliminate that transmission play. Not a lot of turnaround room here for something big like the Summit. A little bit more than a 3-point turn. It's like an 8 or a 9-point turn. Anyways, let's get on with actually filming this properly. have gone and changed things up just a little bit. I removed my big long bridge pieces, or ramp pieces, and just using the fan itself and the bricks, make a fun little indoor crawl spot, just out of materials and resources I happen to have kicking around. We'll go for that same angle. And yeah, I know, this is nothing for a summit to climb, really. So really, for a little indoor rainy day, rainy weather fun, you just can't get outside to have that fun you need, all you need to do is pick up some bricks or some stone or something to climb anyways. Ooh, cat's got laser eyes. Anyways, and just set up a little indoor concourse. Sometimes it's easier the smaller truck, yeah. Having something like a summit, it takes quite a bit more space to get this thing playing. Anyhow, Cat wants his turn at the RC, so we'll let him play and we'll end the vlog. And if you've stuck around this long in the vlog, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys sticking around and having yous on the channel. And even though it's been a rainy day vlog and I didn't really have appropriate material set up and ready to go for such a thing, I hope you at least enjoyed what I tried so hard to throw together today. It hasn't been a good day, but thanks anyways. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Let me know down below in the comments section if you made it this far in the video. I know a lot of people will have left by now. Not a very interesting day for vlogging. Oh well, it happens. This is life. Thanks again for watching. Think positive, stay positive, keep a smile on your face. We'll see you right here tomorrow. Maybe out there or out back or somewhere, but we'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Vlog over.